made a little error back on this one. So if the average is -4, it's going to be +4 in there. So our vertex is going to be -4, -25. And basically all it's going to do to this is it's going to shift it over to -4. Alright, now back to the y-intercept. So you set the equation to 0. 2 equals 0 equals 2 times, and then you plug in 0 for x. So you get 2 times 1 times 7. 14. So our intercept is 0, 14. Now for standard form, you gotta multiply it out. So we got x squared plus 7 plus 8x plus 7 times 2. It's going to be 2x squared plus 16x plus 14 for the answer. Alright, use the process of averaging intercepts to find the following. So for the vertex, you're going to make the square, x squared, divide up the x's half, 8x, so it's going to be x is 8, x and 8, which is going to be 64. So now we're going to have y equals x plus 8 squared, and then you do 14 minus 64 to get the y-intercept. So that's -50. So minus 50. So it's going to be y equals x plus 8 squared minus 50. Vertex is going to be -8, -50. Alright, just don't even listen to anything I'm saying. I'm not, So what we're gonna do is we're gonna divide the standard form in 2. So you get x squared plus 8x plus 7. Now we can factor it. So x plus 7 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. X equals -7. X equals -1. Now the average between those is -4. And you plug it back into this equation. So you get 16 minus 32 plus 7 times 2. So that's going to be negative 9 times 2, which is negative 18. So the vertex is negative 4, negative 18. Alright, and then the vertex form is going to be y equals x plus 4 squared minus 18. Sorry, I'm just not dialed today. Alright, solve each of the following using algebraic methods. So, first we're gonna subtract 8. So we get 3x squared minus 4x minus 2. We'll box it up. Alright, so you can't factor it, so you're going to have to use the quadratic formula. So it's going to be 4 plus minus square root 16 minus 4 times negative 2 times 3 all over 6, which equals 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 24 over 6, and simplify square root of 40. So we can pull out a 4. So it's going to be 4 plus minus square root of 40 over 6, which is simplify square root of 40, which is 4 and 10. So it's going to be 4 plus minus square root, or 2 root 10, because 2 times 2, pull that out, 6. Now I can divide everything by 2. So your answer is going to be x equals 4 plus minus, no, not 4, 2 plus minus square root of 10 over 3. Alright, now this one, you can subtract 5 right away. That's going to be what after subtracting 5. And we're going to factor by a negative 3x. So we're going to pull out negative 3x. So we're going to do 4x minus 3. So we're going to set these equal to 0. So our answers are going to be 0 and 3/4. Next one. Start off by adding 7. 32 equals 2. Divide by 2. Square root both sides. So you get so you got plus minus 4 equals x minus 3. Now you add 3, x equals 3 plus minus 4. X equals 7. X equals -1. H of a minus 3, all you do is going to plug it in for x. So -3 times a minus 3 plus 7 squared minus 5. So that's going to be -3 times a plus 4 squared minus 5. Now box it up to multiply it out. Alright, so it's going to be -3 times a squared plus 8a plus 16 minus 5. It's going to be -3a squared minus 24a plus, minus 54 minus 5. So h of a minus 3 equals -3a squared minus 24a minus 59. Sorry, it's minus 53. So the number here is 48, actually.